Today I am going to show you how to check and improve your security settings in Google Chrome on your PC. First, I clicked on Google Chrome from my desktop to open it. Then I went to the top right corner and clicked on the three dots. From the menu, I clicked on Settings. Once the setting page opened, I selected Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. Here I clicked on Security and a new section opened with three protection options: Enhanced Protection, Standard Protection, No Protection. If you want to maximum safety, choose Enhanced Protection. This is also the best choice if kids used your account. If you are using the account yourself, Standard Protection is also fine. And if you don't want any protection at all, you can choose No Protection, but this is not recommended. After that, I scroll down and turn on Always Use Secure Connections. Below that, there are two more security options and I turn those on as well. Now your Chrome browser and your Google account are fully protected with the best security settings. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss my next tech tutorial.